Looking for expert toilet repair in Edmonton? At Kingstree Plumbing, we understand how frustrating it can be when your toilet isn't working properly. Whether you're dealing with leaks, clogs, or flushing problems, we're here to provide quick and effective solutions. Our toilet repair service addresses common plumbing issues, ensuring your toilet is back to normal in no time. In Edmonton, we know how important it is to have reliable plumbing, which is why our team offers fast, affordable, and professional repairs. Why choose Kingstree Plumbing? We provide transparent pricing, same-day service, and guaranteed results, so you can trust we'll get the job done right. Call us now or click book online to schedule your toilet repair in Edmonton with the experts at Kingstree Plumbing today.